In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Calendar into your n8n instance. I am self-hosting n8n, and I am going to add a tool to my AI agent, which is for a customer service bot demo that I am building. When you are ready to connect your calendar to your AI agent, just click on the option tool. You're going to have a list of notes that you can search. So you do calendar, and you're going to see the calendar tool right here. You click on it, you will see the option that says credential to connect with. If you notice, I don't have any credentials connected. So what I'm going to do is to create new credentials. In this window, you will see the requirements that are needed to connect your Google Calendar to your n8n instance and to your agent. You're going to need your client ID, your client secret, and you have this OAuth redirect URL, which we are going to use. In order to make this connection, we are going to go through 5 different steps. Number 1, we're going to create a Google Cloud Console project. We're going to enable the APIs. We're going to configure your OAuth consent screen. We're going to create your Google OAuth client credentials, and we're going to finish the n8n credential setup. The first step is you go to cloud.google.com. You're going to have an option to sign into your account. Once you are signed in, you are going to select the option console. You have to select a project inside of your console because this is my first time. I don't have any projects assigned. So right here at the top left, you will see select project. I am going to select the project. You will provide your project name. I'm going to name it n8n, and then Bansoya. There you go. Just hit create. You will see a notification that says that the project has been created. So I hit select project. Step 1, we're done. For step number 2, we need to ensure that we are in the project that we created. And to the left, we're going to go to the options that says API and services. And we're going to choose enable APIs and services. Inside this option, you will see enable APIs and services with a plus sign right next to it. You will select that option. And there you need to look for the tool that you want to enable. Because I want to connect my Google Calendar, I will use calendar. I will type it in. I will hit enter. And you will see Google Calendar API right here. I will click on it and I will select enable. What I'm doing here is providing permission to the Google Calendar API, which is a way to connect to this tool that it can speak with my n8n environment. From here, we're going to navigate to the menu on the left and we'll select OAuth consent screen. You will select the option get started and you need to fill out the fields that are required. I provided a name to my app and I added the support email for the application. I just enter my own email, select next. For the audience, you can do internal or external. For security purposes, I'm going to do internal audience only. You select next, enter your email address once again, hit next, and agree to the Google API services user data policy. Hit continue and hit create. The next step is going to the left menu, select branding, and we're going to authorize n8n to connect to our application. We're going to click on add domain, and we're going to provide the n8n instance. Add your domain and hit change. From here, we are just 2 steps away from finishing the configuration. Let's go to the menu, select API and services, and select credentials. Select create credentials, OAuth client, and fill out the information here. For application type, let's do web application. For the name, you can use whatever name that you believe is necessary. Now, this is the important part. Here, it is asking you for authorized redirect URLs. Select add, And here you're going to go to your n8n and you're going to select this option, copy, and paste it here. Then create. And that is it. You're going to have the client secret and you're going to have the client ID that you need to enter into n8n for it to work. If you did the steps correctly, you're going to see a green banner that says account connected and you should be good to go. You can also rename the connection and put whatever name. For example, I put Google Calendar -Marvin, click save, and that is it. If you need assistance connecting your Google Calendar to n8n, I'll be happy to help. Go to my website, Banso AI, and select consultation call. See you soon in the next video.